And on Monday, the 18th of August 2025, the entire leadership of the Africa Maibuya movement will be meeting with Indlulamit iSilo samabandla wonke, the King Misuzulu whom we hold in high regard. So we are going to be meeting him, and we will indicate if that gathering will be open to members of the media, because we cannot leave the province of KwaZulu-Natal without having interacted with Indlulamit, the king of the Zulu nation. So we are going to have that interaction. So by the time we leave the province, we will be having a clearer view and perspective as to how do we move forward, what is to be done. This province is confronted with a variety of challenges, and there have been multiple and different political formations. It's one of the very few provinces where municipalities could shift from one political party to another, but the lives of our people have not changed meaningfully. There is still multiple crises of water supply in almost all the municipalities in Mzinyati, of Ndomini, of Nutu, of Umvoti. There is a crisis of water in all the municipalities of Mkanyakude. Despite a very huge dam of Jozini, if anything, that water is being taken to start some of the water projects in Zululand in Nongoma. But the people of Mkanyakude still have huge crises of water supply. All the municipalities of Mgungundlovu, inclusive of here in Msunduzi, there is no government. There's never been a credible government here in Msunduzi, in Mshwati, in Mpendle, and all the areas. And that is the reason why we are coming to listen to the people of KwaZulu-Natal, to give us perspective and also to shape a movement. We are purposefully not going to start a political organization and announce it publicly before we listen to all the views and perspectives. It will only after we have consolidated the perspectives and views that we will be able to announce a political movement which will have a political party to bring about real emancipation and freedom to the people of South Africa. So whatever contribution that we're going to make, all of us here, let us take into heart that we are shaping our own future, because in Maibuya we have internalized and live by the principle and dictum that there is no single individual who can liberate the people. The people will and should always liberate themselves. People are just but change agents, but the people are the ones who must set the agenda of what type of a movement do we want to change the lives of our people. And the reason why we want this movement to be shaped by the inputs and views of all the people is because we have taken note of all other formations that are run as cults, that are run as formations of group of friends or as family projects. They tend to prioritize their own interest at the expense of the people of South Africa, at the expense of all the people. So we're here with all humility to come to listen to all of you, to say, give us perspective, give us a view as to what kind of an organization and formation we should constitute, so that it becomes a vessel for change, it becomes a vehicle for transformation, it becomes a fighting instrument on the hands of those that cannot fight for themselves. So ladies and gentlemen, the people of KwaZulu-Natal, we are here to listen. We are not here to give long speeches. Our task, all of us here today, is to listen, and let us have the comfort to speak in whatever language that we are comfortable with, because the fortunate coincidence of all of us is that we understand eloquently. I don't know if understanding of language can be eloquent, but eloquently we do understand all the languages, and we'll be able to take notes from all of you in terms of all the inputs that are going to be given in this platform today. So we're going to hand over back to our fundraiser general, Menzima Gubani, to facilitate the teaching. Let us speak openly, let us give perspective, and then let us not be scared of anything. There is no one who is going to do anything to anyone for the views that they express in this platform. It's a protected space. You can say anything that we have to say, so that you shape the future, you shape a movement that must bring about true liberation. Thank you very much, comrades, and we appreciate that you came in your numbers. Siyabonga.